What's up, guys? This is Dr. J. Feldman, and today is day one of my smilelove treatment. So these is a do-it-yourself aligners where I did the impressions a couple of months ago. They took my impressions and they created a treatment plan for me. So I basically have 16 weeks, 8 months of these aligners. I actually have them in right now if you can hear me. I guess it takes a couple of days to adjust to the aligners being in. I have a crazy little lisp right now, but if you can see them, they're in right now. Last night was my first time sleeping with them. So what I'm gonna do is every week I'm gonna come in here and we're gonna take a look at my teeth. I'm gonna report how I'm doing. Right now, I'm trying to get used to wearing them. It just feels like my mouth is bigger. Like you can see it on my face. And talking is obviously difficult. If you can tell, I have a lisp right now. It's like flicking your tongue off of plastic. It's a little tough, but I talked to smilelove. They said it's totally normal, and then I'm gonna be talking normally within a couple of days as soon as I adjust to them. But sleeping with them last night was fine. Going about my day today, it just takes some getting used to. If you've ever had braces or anything, which I did, it's just like a little bit of lifestyle change. You have to take them out to eat. You have to brush your teeth after every meal. A lot of things. I have this little retainer, so when I'm done with them, I'm going to take them out now so I can finish the video. Oh. Sorry if that was gross. So Moses, actually, I put them on the counter, and Moses grabbed one of them, and I caught him with them. I think he screwed up one of the molars. I can't really tell. From now on, I'll be using this case every time I take them out. And if you could tell now, I'm talking perfectly normally. There's no lisp. So take a look at my teeth now. We're gonna do this every single week so you can see exactly how I'm progressing. I'm gonna look at this tooth's a little pushed back, and my bottoms are all kinds of crooked. So after 8 weeks, it's super exciting. Look at this. So I have 16 of these things, and it's so exciting. I don't know if you can see because it's so clear. But week 16, there's only an upper, only a bottom. My uppers are supposed to be perfectly straight, and my bottoms look so straight. There's also a retainer in here, and I'm looking at this retainer and I'm so excited. My uppers and my lowers are gonna be perfectly straight after 8 weeks, and it's absolutely incredible. As far as pain goes, I can feel it. Absolutely, I can feel it. This tooth, I feel like, is getting a little wiggly. Putting them in wasn't super uncomfortable, but I guess they say every 2 weeks when I upgrade to the next step, to the next phase of my treatment, it's gonna be a little uncomfortable for a couple of days, just as my teeth are shifting just ever so slightly. Tune in next week. I'm going to be doing another recap of my treatment step 1, and at the end of my 8 months, well, I'm going to be in a totally new apartment and I'm going to have perfectly straight teeth, and this is going to be so exciting. Every single week I'm going to be doing one of these. I'm super excited. It's Team smilelove, thank you, and to my cosmetic dentists who are pairing with me to make sure that my treatment is going smoothly, I'm not in any danger, and to take care of me during and after this treatment, thank you as well. Tuning out, talk to you next week.